how to enable or disable show view updates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search show view updates. So scroll down and search show view update from here. So scroll down. So you will see show view update is here. So if you want to enable show view updates, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see show view update is enabled. So if you want to disable show view updates, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see show view updates is disabled. So you will enable or disable show view updates from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show view updates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.